Hey guys, and welcome back to Louis Buck Productions. So, if you've been enjoying the videos that you've seen on the channel, remember to give the channel a subscribe, because it's worthwhile to keep up to date with all the amazing and fantastic little vehicles we've got on this channel, including this lovely 1968 Regal 325 Super. So, you may be wondering, why for once am I not in my work clothes? And also, why have I got the Regal 325 Super parked up with some really nice stunning scenery behind it? Well, for you see, today's video isn't actually today. Although we're filming this bit today, the part that you're away to see happened 2 weeks ago. My plan had been to film it last weekend, but that didn't go to plan. So, I really hope you enjoy it. Basically, as you all know, I've been telling you that most of the collection have been going to be going out to an event at my local transport museum, the Grampian Transport Museum. So on the 8th of May, myself and 8 of some really good pals, I have to say. I mean, without their help it would not have been possible. It really wouldn't have been possible, actually. So yeah. With their help, we took 9 of my vehicles to the How Many Left show at the Grampian Transport Museum. And what an absolute epic day it was. Totally different. I mean, it was just brilliant. Seeing these all on display in one go was fantastic. So, I can't really use words enough to describe how good it was. So, here, coming up, is some photos and videos from the day. I hope you enjoy them. And here we have the day before the event, because it starts before then, because you have to get everything clean and ready. And then on the Sunday before the show, all the vehicles sitting, waiting for the drivers, getting used to their cars and meeting them for really the first time. It was an epic day and everyone really enjoyed themselves. And as you can see here, I had to kind of say who was going where and what cars were going in order, and show off the fact that I actually know each car by number plate, which was a little bit sad really, but it's all part of the fun. But yeah, I mean, look at how clean they are. I can't thank the guys enough that were driving the cars. They came out and helped clean them the day before, and they did a fantastic job. So here we go, heading one way around to the Grampian Transport Museum to get the cars all lined up on display.
Some DVDs,
CDs, VHS, 8-track cassettes, all the lot. Latest up-to-date technology.
up to date for the 80s, that would be.
No, it's totally new for 2022. It needs to be brand new, up-to-date. Retro's coming back.
All the kids are down with USB and it's all online nowadays, Lewis. I think we're going to have a real job shifting this gear, but we can give it, I don't know, I mean, I'll try and look out for you, but we're just, well, I don't know. Andrew's not going to be happy. He won't approve of that.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be fine. I mean, we'll easily make a bit of box out of this.
You think? Will you give me a cut?
Oh, I don't know, like, sure we could manage something.
Too disgusting, eh? Right, okay, spoken from a true Yorkshire girl who has exactly the same principles. Right, okay, I'm going to have a rummage through this gear. Let's see if we can get this audience interested. There's Some gentlemen, look, he's a buyer. The gentleman in the black kind of, I don't know what sort of top that is, but it's a hoodie. He looks like he's game for some of this hooky gear. There's a guy there in a blue sort of hoodie with some glasses. He's definitely. The lady in the pink top as well, she's busted to get her hands on some DVDs, I think. I'm not sure what sort of DVDs we're going to be into, but never mind. Right, okay, well, let's have a look. Let's get some stuff out, see if we can get the... But for heaven's sake, keep an eye for the police. Not too soon. Get in, quick, 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 quick. We've got to keep going, Lewis. Lewis, I think he's got us. Do you know what? You were actually clocking a bit of speed there. I thought you were going to get away.
It is surprising, I thought it was as well.
I actually thought you were going to roll it on that.
What are you doing? Get off, you haven't got a licence. Oh, Sources Grant, this is Grampian Transport Museum. It's not New York, Palace or Peckham. Get out of it. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Lewis Martin.
So some of you may be wondering what that was about. And what it was about was that I got to open the show with the Trotters van, the 1970 Super Van 3 that I fully restored from a wreck, which was absolutely amazing. It was the most fun I've had in years. But here we go, and you can enjoy some fantastic photos of the event coming up now. And in the afternoon of that day is the one event we'd been leading up to for the whole day. The collection went out for a parade lap. Now, you may notice in the lineup there is something missing, and that was down to the 325 Super getting a bit of stage fright right before we headed out into the ring. But here you see all the cars parading round looking absolutely fantastic. And I was talking to the commentators, describing all the cars as they went round the arena, and it was absolutely brilliant to see everything that I've achieved over the years doing their own parade lap, and it was brilliant. The only thing was that it didn't have the 325 Super in, but oh well, everything was there and everyone loved the 325 Super even though it wasn't in the ring during this time. Also, only 5 minutes before the event, we got the BN2 working because it had refused to run up until 5 minutes before the parade. Then somehow it fired to life and came out and did its best. So it was fantastic. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these lovely photos of this absolutely epic day.
In the respective New York, Paris, and Auckland. We'll have a meeting this afternoon, and maybe we can do the pictures off with the before and after. I'd like to take up on PhD 537L, a little little car, tell us about that PhD 678L, a 1970 car. It is a little car.
So there you have it, guys. It really was an epic day. Totally different, totally fantastic, and the convoy home at night just absolutely made it for me. Looking back and seeing nothing but reliance from the Scammell, that was brilliant. Absolutely loved it. So this is where I've got a little bit of a surprise for you, I guess. For you see, if you've watched that video and went, oh, I wish I'd been able to see that, that looks epic, then I'm here to tell you, you have your chance to. For you see, that is not going to be the only time that collection of vehicles is going to be out. After that show, and I can't thank the drivers enough actually at this point, because all my drivers from the Scottish Car Addicts Facebook group, you should check them out, they're a fantastic bunch of people. But yeah, basically all my drivers turned around and enjoyed them so much they'd love to drive them again. So I said, yeah, okay. So now you will be able to see the entire collection again in person at the 50th Golden Jubilee Steam and Vintage Fair at Castle Fraser So it's the Bonacord Steam and Vintage Fair. It's the 18th and 19th of June, so that's not that long away, or not that far away, but it will be epic. And this show is going to be pretty good. They've got steam engines, tractors, motorbikes, cars. I think we're getting a display of railway stuff as well. It's basically got something of everything. Stationary engines as well. The mind would never cover everything just thinking about it off the top of my head. So yeah, if you really want to see this collection or some brilliant vintage stuff, come along to Castle Fraser on the 18th and 19th of June for the Bonacord Steam and Vintage Club's Vintage Fair for their Golden Jubilee. It's a bit of a mouthful that, but I'll get there in the end. But anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I certainly loved the day anyway. And if you want to keep up to date with all the new videos to the channel, remember and hit the subscribe button, hit the like video, and drop your comments on the video and let us hear what you think of the little lineup I had at How Many Left, and if you will be coming along to Castle Fraser to see the lineup again. It was just a totally epic and fantastic day. But anyway guys, like I say, remember and hit the subscribe button if you have enjoyed it and want to keep up to date with all these lovely cars, including this one, which is rapidly becoming one of my favourite cars because it's just so fun to drive. And I guess on that note, we've actually got something else we need to discuss before I end the video. Rather important thing. Out of all the collection at the museum, there was one car in particular got a lot of interest and says absolutely love that. Out of all of them, if I was taking home one, it would be that one. And you've probably guessed it by now what one that was, because it's actually the one I'm sitting in. So please guys, I'm going to be putting a poll up and I need your help. I need your help to help me decide, should this car get repainted as it was originally, which is like it is now but not flaky, or should it stay as it is, fully mechanically restored but an original bodywork? Now I'm not entirely sure what is the best one. I'm stuck on the line of 50-50, so I would really appreciate your help in helping to make this decision. So there'll be a poll coming up after this video. Remember and vote for what you think should happen with the 325 Super, and we will announce the decision in an upcoming video. Anyway, for the moment I'm going to go and fire her up and I guess go and crack on with the next job for today, which I am not sure what it is yet. Probably making up this video, but we'll see. I hope this starts. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Like a sewing machine. Right guys, I guess we'll see you next time.